Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In case you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So today's video is very interesting. I'm going to share how to work this kind of a crochet tassel design which can be worked on dupattas, on saris as well as on the sleeves. So it's a very interesting design and look at it how trendy it looks. So stay tuned till the end, stay with me throughout the video and you will know how to work this design in a very easy way. So all you need is some kind of long beads. So in this video I'm using spring kind of beads in gold color. Along with that I'm using 6 strands of silk thread and crochet hook number 10. So I am working on a piece of lace here as a sample. You can work on anything you wish. I've fixed the knot and then I'm working a baseline which is going to be 2 chains and 1 single crochet. So this is the baseline. In case you're working this on your sari, you know what to do. You'll have to fix the knot, work 2 chains and fix it using a single crochet and continue the same till you reach the other end of the pallu. So this is the baseline. Just keep working until you reach the end. It's a very easy design and a lot of you have been asking me what kind of designs look good on single colored saris or Mysore silk saris. So this is your answer. So this design looks very trendy without any tassel. So do give it a try on your Mysore silk saris, and if you happen to try, share it in the Facebook group, The Crochet Club by Naughty Threads. So this is the base. It's very easy and the design can be worked in no time. So I'll continue working till I reach the end of the sample. So I've reached the end and this is where I will trim my first step. Now this particular design can be worked in 2 colors. There's no second thought about it, but I wanted it to be in single color. So I'm going to continue the second step in the same color. And another point to remember while working this design is, initially when we started, the right side of the fabric or the lace was towards me, facing towards me. So I'm starting the second step also in the exact same way. So that is the reason I trimmed the first color and I'm going to continue in the same way or same direction. So I fixed the knot again, taking a spring bead, inserting it in the thread and I'm going to lock it with a chain stitch. After which I'm going to work a treble. So I'm going to skip 2 blocks and in the third block I'm going to work 1 triple crochet or a treble. So that's a treble and see how it formed a V. After that I'm going to start working my chains. So this is 4, 5 and 6. So once I have 6 chains, I'm going to turn the fabric and work a single crochet. So once I work the single crochet, the 6 chains form a circle or a ring. Now here's the pretty part of the design. So I'll work 3 chains and work 1 single crochet. So by doing this, beautiful picots are formed. So 3 chains again and a single crochet, and that makes our second picot stitch. Continue the same. So this is the third picot stitch. Fourth picot stitch, fifth, sixth, seventh. So here it is. So I worked 7 picots and then I'm going to continue working single crochets on that treble. So this is my first single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 5 single crochets. And then I'm going to work 1 single next to the treble that we initially made. And that's how simple it is to achieve this design. So picots are my personal favorite and I just love this design because of the picot stitch and the way it looks. So here I'm adding my second spring bead, continue with a treble into the third block, create a 6 chain loop and then work 7 picots in the loop. That's how the design continues. Like already mentioned, if you want you can change the color, if not you can just continue in the same color. Working in single color I think gives it a very elegant look. So you can see I've already finished working the sample and see how pretty it looks without any fancy tassels or any more beads. So just with one single bead you can create something as beautiful as this one, and it looks very delicate as well. So I'm going to knot all the loose ends and then trim off the extra thread and fix it using fabric glue, and the sample is ready. So I would recommend you guys try this design and share it in the Facebook group. I would love to see what and how you guys made it, and also let me know in the comment section how you like this design. I think that's all in today's video. I will look forward for your comments. In case you have not subscribed to my Kannada channel, Naughty Threads Kannada, do subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Very soon we will be hitting our 1 lakh followers milestone on Facebook. So whoever is not following us on Facebook, please head over and follow us on Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comment section. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care, stay home and stay safe.